Hello everyone, here I am Tiltraz to welcome you in my next video on Photoshop. In this video, we'll be trying to provide you a detailed knowledge of crop and slice tool and practicing them to know how they work. Before that, download the file from the given link. I have also mentioned that file in the comment box and the description. Now launch the Photoshop and open that file. Now let's go into the tool menu and select the crop tool. Click on it. You'll get the crop tool. This tool is used especially in cropping purposes like this. Hey, this is crop tool here, and as we all have used this tool many times in our mobile or any photo editing, like you are doing in internet or you are using it in your mobile apps. Yeah, as that Photoshop also uses this tool, and the same type of work was done here too. So what actually for the crop tool, here is a crop tool in the sides. Here you'll get the crop tool, and if you choose this, you what actually the crop tool do is you can crop the section of your image or your work like this. You can move the portion you want, and it's like this. I want this much, yeah, like this. If I want this much section, uh, like this and this, right? That means if I do enter here, I'll get this much photo, and the other will go just up. So this as simple as we have used in a mobile device, the Photoshop also use this tool at the same one, and you can enjoy this tool by for your cropping your image or UI or any graphical works here. And this is the next tool is perspective crop tool. Here you'll get some more options like this. Yes, here is now we talk about, yes, here is perspective crop tool, and what exactly we can do with this tool is it is also a crop tool, but we can have some type of, we can move a corner here. It's like here you can move this corner and make something different. You can move a single, and you can try to make something like this and this. You can crop the image like from in this way, which cannot be done in the normal crop tool. So you can create a perspective. Your viewing angle can be created here. If you are just viewing from here, and you can make like this, and you are moving like this here, here one was like this, and look at here. If you go, you can make it, you can create like this. So if you create it like this, it will be some more creative, and you can click enter. You'll get like this image. Let's zoom down. Camera is now down and your face is up. You are too nearer to the your leg. I hope you understand what is perspective tool. And this is a slice tool. Actually, this tool is used for web purposes, for dividing a section and more like this. Now let's start here with a slice tool. Actually, what slice tool do? In reality, slice tool is used very nominal or very minimal time because it was used in the web. If you are designing web, then this tool is can be used mostly, but in the Photoshop and the graphic design, this tool is let less worth. So how it works in the web, I want to give a small example here. Let's select, if you click here, you'll get lots of option here, and here is a slice tool. Actually, you can look at here. Previously we can make a slice here. You can create a different slice like this, and you can also increase this portion here like this, and you can create a next like this,
You can increase, you make a 2 slices here. Look at here, you can also create third one here and go like this. Look, so
And there is also a next tool named Select Slice tool. As a name, this tool is used for selecting a slices and editing and doing some activities related to the slicing like this.
by clicking here again and going to select slice tool, you can just if you right click here, you'll get the edit slice option and delete slice too, and you can name here anything, and you can give any just like you can give a URL here, yes, https and this, maybe this, yeah, this, and www.facebook.com/trbnpl, and I I'm just giving an example here. You can type anything, it will go to the new tab. Yeah, Facebook, it's like you can give, yeah, fishy. Okay, if you didn't type here, it will open in the same tab. If you type something here, you'll that will be go in the next tab and open in the next tab. You'll just, I'm doing here and same thing here, I'm saving. What happen if we go here and just here is another, the next slice I selected, it will, I am making a slice, it will go to the youtube.com. Look, I have previously done, but yes, if I should, I think I should just hypertext transfer protocol HTTP, and this. If I do this, it will directly go to the hypertext in the wave. It will source in the wave. So if I, then I have to type here YouTube, so it can be, it will go in the new tab, and alt tag I'll type YouTube. Okay, enter, and okay. And again, here is the next one. I have to select by using the slice selection tool here. If I have selected here, I can make some smaller section, like only it will cover a portion of you can say this blue circle, so that if you click on the blue circle, that will go, that will work. If I again edit slice option here and practice this and URL, I can go, it is http and this, okay, sorry, this and www dot twitter twitter dot com slash trbnpl. Okay, it will have, okay, Twitter here again, Twitter, and that's your something, so message Tirtha TRTL, and here something like, yeah, okay, something, yeah, that's the same thing. If I, okay, now what happened, you have to do is go to the file here again, file menu, and save for web. You can save this for web. You'll get this like I hope you, I'm doing this in the PNG8 format. You can do anything, and the name is here unnamed. Okay, fine. Where it was going to save in the desktop, maybe. If you go here next, it will give you a name, practical one. You did practical one, as I'm two. HTML and images, you can only get get a export as a HTML or image too, but I'm doing the both, and I'm clicking the save, and the save was done. Now done. What happened, going to the, okay, so now going to the, here is a file, you can see when Google Chrome logo, because the wave was will open in the Chrome, because the Chrome is my default browser here. If I click here, it will open in Chrome, and I'll get like this here. Yes, hello everyone. When we save or export it for web, we get a HTML file or a browser file or anything like that, and we double click on it, and we that open in the browser. Actually, the slice tool, how it works for web, we are showing a demo here, and we have 3 objects here. there is one yellow triangle, and next one is red rectangle, and one is blue circle. We have assigned the different object, or we have assigned that section by cutting those area. We have assigned some URL there, and this is yellow one where we have assigned a Facebook. That is my page actually, and that is will be going to the page. If we click on that, yes, there is the page got opened. Yeah, you can like it here. And okay, now I want to cut it. And there is a red one. The red one, we have specified a YouTube URL of this channel actually. And yeah, here it will go to the YouTube/Blackbound. Yeah, here you can go and just click the subscribe button and press the bell icon and enjoy watching the videos. I hope you'll do that. And yeah, okay, now this also I got it. And what happened? What are we assigned to the this circle is we have assigned the Twitter URL. Yes, if we click on it, we'll go to the twitter.com trbnpl, where it will go. You'll get the Twitter opened here, and this I'll cut. You want to cut it? So fine. I hope you understand Slice tool how it works. It is more useful in the web design rather than photo edit graphical works.
Okay, thanks for watching, and I'm waiting for your feedback on the comment box. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell button.